Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to view Snapchat stories without them knowing. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm going to open up the Snapchat app here and swipe to the left to bring up the stories. And there are a couple of different ways that you can view these stories. I'm going to walk you through the best method that you can use once you're on these stories. We're going to swipe down to make sure that we've loaded these, and then swipe over to the left so that we can see all of these stories. So say if there's one specific story that you want to watch, you want to make sure that it has been loaded up in the Snapchat app itself. So then the next thing that we'll do is we'll swipe down from the top right and turn on our airplane mode. And you want to make sure that your Wi-Fi is turned off as well. So you want to make sure that both your internet and cell data are turned off so that there's no connection to the Snapchat app and the servers to tell it that you watch this video. So then we can watch these videos if we want to. And some of them might not have loaded. We can watch these videos. And now it says that we haven't watched these videos. But what we can do is we can go back in here and watch them as many times as we want. And then what we'll do is we'll get back and we will offload this app so that it won't tell them that we've watched it because the airplane mode is on and it's not sending out any signal. So let's get out of here and let's open up our settings here and then tap on General and then iPhone storage midway down. Now, once you're on here, we're going to scroll down until we get this Snapchat. And then we're going to tap offload this app. And this will offload the entire app. And then we can tap reinstall this app. And of course, the internet is now off. So we want to swipe down and turn airplane mode back off so that we can download the Snapchat app again. So now that the airplane mode was turned on and there's no internet, we watch that Snapchat story without them knowing. Now we've offloaded the app and reinstall the app here. And then we can go back in this app and they won't even know that we've watched it. We can go back and load them and watch them again if we want to. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.